What up YouTube, it's Danny back with another video. Today we are unboxing yet another Casio. Actually I have one on right now. A Casio G-Shock W700 something. Anyway, yeah, I'm excited. This is actually an affordable Casio. I think I paid $35 I want to say. This is the Casio AE-1200 WHD-1AVF, also known as the Casio Royale. So, this is apparently a James Bond watch. I don't remember him wearing a Casio, but maybe he did. I thought he was an Omega guy. But regardless, let me just cut the sticker real quick, and we will get into the unboxing. I ordered this last night in bed, and it arrived today. I actually have more on the way, so stay tuned for those videos as well. So, yeah, this one ran me about, I believe, $35 total. Very popular model. Casio is great, obviously, for watches. People love Casio watches, including myself. I have quite a few. I've got this one. I've got, sorry, there you go. I've got this one, and then I've got the Casio Lineage Multiband 6 that I showed last week in my watch collection video. So, alright, so obviously brand new. Here is a little quick start guide and a battery list and stuff I don't care about. Oh yeah, this is definitely brand new. Very nice. And here's the full-blown manual, which I will likely not be using at all. So very thick and small, but also has more than one language in it, so that's a guarantee. Like there's Portuguese or Spanish right there. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and put that right back in there because I'm never gonna use that. And then here is the actual watch. So I'm gonna have to resize that, but not a big deal. I have my tools to do that, no problem. So taking it out. Oh, this is this is quite nice. Like I said, this is a very, very popular watch among Casio fans, Casio enthusiasts, and the everyday man. It's a good-looking watch at a very affordable price. So let me get all the stickers off the front. Oh yes, pull that off just like that. Look at that watch, guys. That is quite a nice watch. So, it's got your basic no frills bracelet, which I like. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take off my G-Shock real quick. There we go. So, love this watch. I unboxed this watch last week, as some of you probably saw. Then we're going to put this one on, and it's going to be resized. I already know. Like I said before, it's not a big deal. I will do that off camera. Yeah, I'm going to need to take out 1, 2, 3. I'm going to say, honestly, probably 4 links, if I had to guess. So, but for now, I'm going to take it back off the wrist. Snap it back in. And there you go. So, very, very nice. Let me angle the camera down a little bit further. I love this camera. It's so great for unboxings. Yeah, very cool. So we've obviously got a digital analog clock here in the corner, I believe is what that is. We got the digital time right here. Also the so it's cycling through, I guess because it's brand new. But yeah, you can cycle through different time zones, and it highlights what time zone you are in on a little world timer map. So, very cool. But yeah, I do need to set this up, so let me do just that, and I will be right back. Okay, so one very long pain in the ass moment later, 3 links came out. Yeah, these are like the T-shaped links. I forget the exact name, but they're like curled and cuffed, so you need pliers. You definitely need pliers. I'm telling you right now. You got it. If you don't have pliers, bruh. And I didn't even use the right pliers. I couldn't find my needle nose pliers. Probably in storage somewhere. So I found these little rusty things my grandpa had lying around in his garage. But yeah, these were not coming out very easily at all. But long story short, it fits, and I got it all set up for Central Standard Time. It is 12:47 a.m. Way different, way later. Now, granted, I did stop and eat, and then my dad came over and we talked for like an hour. So, yeah, it's like 3 hours later, but that's okay. Look how beautiful this watch is. It's absolutely gorgeous. Again, 35 bucks. Not bad. Definitely like the Casio Royale. So, this is going to be definitely one I wear daily. So, yeah, that's cool. And, you know, I still have, obviously, my G-Shock that I wear all the time. Even though it's upside down. And I have another watch arriving. I have 2 more watches arriving today. And I should make a series on watches that are, like, really cool under $100. So this one's 35. I got one arriving today that's 55. And I have another one arriving later today that's 45. So look out for videos on all those. But yeah, there you go. I'm very happy with this thing. It's beautiful. It truly is. I love this thing, and I think that might be the thumbnail. Yeah. I could go into detail on how to set this up, but it's pretty self-explanatory. You press and hold that button to set up your local time zone. You can set up to like 5 other time zones. So right now I've got it set to my time zone, and then I can hit search. And now there's New York, London, Paris, and then back to me. So okay, so there's 4 other time zones, or 4 time zones total, I believe. So I'm gonna set one to Tokyo, but I'll do it off camera. All right, there you guys go. Thank you all so much for watching. I do love the bracelet, of course. You know me, I'm a bracelet guy. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. More to come. Stay tuned, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.